Family on do, I'll go begin the program. Now play for the music for start begin as the program is start. Shimamina power. Shimamina power by Zainab Sherif. Thank you very much. First of all, I need to make a disclaimer. We don't own, this platform does not own the copyrights to this music. This music was played purely for entertainment and educational purpose. Thank you. Famulona, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever on a day. And welcome to the program Inside Salon today. Now the then and now media empire with the broadcast live on Facebook. Today, na Saturday, the 19th of September, 2020. Me, now na host and presenter, Mohamed Kamara, commonly known as Supermed. Family, before I go any further, I want to ask you now, hit that share button. Make we share the program, please. So that plenty people can go able to witness and release, because it's like proper monologue, where they can analyze the issue thoroughly. So please, I urge you now to share. So get plenty people who will witness this program. So now hit that share button, just see one finger and share, please. And again, now welcome to the then and now media empire. The #1 channel for objectivity and fact and critical analysis. So I tell you, thank you plenty as now the January na the platform. Ladies and gentlemen, today inside the program, inside Salon today, where they can look at President Bio and the First Lady Fatima Bio, what you call the Lebanon saga. But before I go any further, I want to applaud the president for what I can describe as what he do in constitutional job, where they try for help with sister them was stranded in Lebanon. That I go describe as in constitutional job. That in job maybe a part of in job description. Because the opening chapters of the Constitution in 1991 Constitution clearly state and say the peace, security, and welfare of the people of Sierra Leone shall be the primary purpose and responsibility of the government of Sierra Leone. So what does that name mean? That name means say the Salone people and wherever we are in the world, with peace and security and welfare. Now we own government, any government what we get, now then primary purpose and responsibility. So we know say we sister the way in Lebanon, they stranded the welfare and the security and not good day at all. So we commend the president because he's doing job. Because at that time job for look after Sierra Leoneans them wherever they are. So we commend them for that. But again, like we at this platform, we're very, very objective. Anything we want to talk, we look from all different angles and try to understand what make things and they happen. Try to understand and try to bring account to the people and see the angles then where maybe make them here happen. Because although the president do a good job, where he's doing job, we they ask again the reason why was it broadcast live on Facebook? What's not the necessity? Is this because of the pressure and the indignation the way the Sierra Leoneans don't face because of the president's visit in Lebanon and the subsequent time spent, the rumors them, and the so-called honeymoon? So these are all questions then when people they ask. Say the people and the Salone people who are stranded there, who sister who are stranded in Lebanon, have they been exploited by the government because of, for many get a favorable ratings, or maybe people see and say yes, the president not go to Lebanon for nothing, he go there for a purpose, and where he go there, he do a good. So these are all open questions where he left on the people alone make up on their mind and try to understand what's in the go, what's in the happen. You know, like we're at we at this platform, we very, very objective. We look at things from different angles. And we would there for all the government and people in authority accountable. Make sure say we bring out to the people what the people need to know. Because I came across a Gambian citizen today in literature, where in Sweden, where instance of Onion, he rescue plenty of his sisters in Lebanon. He not even make anything about them. Because we all know we in a religious country we come out. God say when you give you the right hand, the left hand not for no. But again, these are all open questions. So we all and things are all for discourse. And all we understand say, because I know say the social media brigade day, where you always come for attack people, them talk all kind of talk. And all we understand say, now we right and we responsibility. Follow we constantly all the government them accountable. May nobody not tell we say, no, what do they ask for this? Why for ask this? Why for ask this? Now we right. The governments, they have power for work for we. So now we guys follow make sure say, we know say they actually work for we. That they work for the interest of the people. And anything that they do, they accountable to we. Now we put a name. So we get right for ask all the critical questions here, ladies and gentlemen. Again, at the original, we allow we continue for share. So that we get plenty of who go witness this particular talk. Because they can look at them into different angles. And like I can tell them, we'll get secret guests. We'll get for come and rob more for this talk here. So please, ladies and gentlemen, this is an important topic this. Because when I remember last week, I be telling us say we'll get part 2 of Comrade Quetta on this platform here so today. But unfortunately, because we program inside Salone today, and the importance of this particular issue, we say that we'll deal with this issue today, and then we postpone that interview. We want a very, very important and thorough analysis get for happen. Now this platform here between me and Comrade Quetta. So in 2 weeks' time, when I look for that program there again, Comrade Quetta go there back on this platform live, and we can discuss the issue there thoroughly. But today, we get serious issues then, where we want discourse. And definitely, we go discuss them. Ladies and gentlemen, I guess somebody will try for call me.
But I think so we'll begin to call them later. You know, because like we are saying no more. Hello, hello. Hello, are they live right now? But hello? Okay, we don't lost the caller first. But anyway, let's continue with the flow again. As I tell now, we get very, very important topic for discuss today. So please, please, we'll continue for share. We want to look at the trip, the visit. You know, the visits be supposed to be for 1 week. Where the president will be tell we say the president they go on a private visit for 1 week to Lebanon. But the press statement of itself, that press statement then be released on the 27th of August. The press statement of itself, it gets plenty ambiguity. Where people may not be understand, but people say, okay, well, we don't know, say private visit, that is fine. The president entitled to private visit, we understand that. Although a public figure, but inside get right to you or them to go other things, that is fine. But again, the press statement it be ambiguous, it not be too clear. So people may get doubts, but people they understand. Because what you know, people remember say, wait to now we can't say they under state of emergency. We know say even some of our land border are still closed. Plenty business and closed in the country. The country they face a global pandemic. When the whole world today, they're in a real problem because all the country then they try to think about how they will deal with this global pandemic. When are this COVID-19 coronavirus, when they affect the whole world. It don't kill close to 1 million people. So that big global pandemic, where all they need are the election, then big country, more small country, more, then sit down and they focus. And they think about how they will tackle this and how they will alleviate the economic impact of this particular pandemic. As we all know, we country, they face unprecedented economic challenges. We all know that. They face unprecedented economic challenges. Recently, when the Afrobarometer report come out, we see some price comparison. Something in the way 2018, like pepper, when they buy 700 euros per cup. It don't go to reach 7,000 euros per cup. This is an increasement of 900%. And we see all that in the crash over 100%, plenty. So that they show we say we continue to face desperate economic circumstances. So many people may be worried while all under that situation, the president go on a private go a visit to Lebanon. Lebanon by the time they don't get government safe. They say the government don't collapse. They say the economy don't shattered. So they say plenty problem of their own. So people will be baffled why the president choose for going on a private visit to Lebanon. And I want to remind the government and the president say, Sierra Leone is a country where they try for improving tourism. The president, if he say, me say they go holiday, and they go holiday in a Bond, or they go holiday in a Kabbalah, or they go holiday in a Potoko. That in itself, they boost the tourism for Sierra Leone. Because some people will say, where's the president they go visit Kabbalah? So, me say, whenever they go holiday in a Kabbalah, but let me say, go enjoy it. And that's a boost the Kabbalah economy. Because people are getting restaurants, people are getting buy them, or they get drink and they go sell. So that they say they make the economy in that particular region, they become buoyant. But anyway, no excuse the president. The president choose for going in private visits in Lebanon. Which is also very important issue in its own. But people then give the benefits of the doubt. But this particular visit, it begets beaucoup ambiguity. People will not be understand what they really go on. People will be confused. People will say, but waiting now this visitor a main purpose. Waiting at the benefits where Sierra Leone will get from this visit. Now, waiting baffle we all. And please, I urge you again. Una in the chat room, una continue for share. Please, una continue for share. I want to thank you plenty, una the journey. As we in this platform, we there for look after the interests of all Sierra Leoneans. We there for all governments accountable and bring out the fact to the people. We therefore critically analyze government and authorities and issue in our country. And all people are responsible, accountable. So we then look at the saga, this Libanon trip saga, the president and the first lady. It's very, very important. And as something where we for discuss, we get right for discuss them. We in a citizen them, the president. Now we president. We get right for all them accountable. Now a public figure. We get right for all them accountable. I want to stress this because what you know, I know say social media brigade day. We get deal for attack people. Some people they say this not hate, this not this, no, this not this at all. This now we responsibility as citizen of that particular country. We get right for all the government accountable. We get right for bringing the issue there so to the populace, make them understand what's in the happen. So we all know there are many, many rumors grab by this visit here so. Because people are able to know what's in the go on. Many rumors grab. Say, well, the president don't go. Now, be 1 week it is supposed to take. It don't take past 1 week. So people they say it don't extend his stay. But when they see the president, we know they hear from the president. We know they hear from the people when they talk on behalf of the president. And this again is very important. Because the president is getting press secretary. They get the Ministry of Information and Communication. Now, the Ministry of Information and Communication, they also get the Strategic Communication Team there. So, in no short of people, they're supposed to talk on behalf of the government. But we know they hear from them, nothing. And this time they brew the rumors. In a way, straight information all day, people they begin put 1 + 1 together. They try to bring hypothesis is them, the likelihood of waiting and call it happen. So we get plenty rumors them. Some people they say the president know well, some people they say go on medical, some people they say this, some people they say it don't go India, some people they say don't go Europe, all kind of rumors. And I want to stress this to the authorities, to the governments, that you need to create a vacuum. When you create a vacuum in itself, it's not good for the country. Because people and then at the country, when are business people, people that don't are investors, when they do them business, whenever there is a vacuum, it creates tension for them. They don't know who's side for go, who's side for come out. All the rumors are already it's not good. So the government in itself not for allow them to also for the take place. But when they communicate to the people, when they create this vacuum, now they cause that, ladies and gentlemen. So we know that rumors have plenty, all kind of rumors we know. Then nearly 3 weeks when the president don't left the country, where people don't know him whereabouts, even Nigerian comedians they mock him. Say, but president, this president has a lot lost. When I see him, all kind of people they make all kind of comedy out of her. Now we get a bombshell from the first lady, where send a post on Facebook, say that they're on honeymoon. That creates an indignation because people take us in a mockery, not disrespect to the people of Sierra Leone. So now they get the drift. What's the time for talk about? You know, out of all what's happening in the country, for let the first lady post something say the president and him, they don't go to Lebanon, they didn't want Asian city, they enjoy their honeymoon. Don't forget, so there was even an ECOWAS summit where they take place, where heads of states of the economic communities of the West African states, when they call ECOWAS, be the whole for talk about security and also talk about the economy, the impact of the COVID-19 coronavirus, now the economy that are the sub-region. Who we own presidents not be there. So we own interest in not be there at top of the agenda. Because if we send for a minister they say, with the presidency status, not two different things. So these people think and say, what? How could this happen? Where country and electing at the world and leaders them president them, the government them, then they pass it on, they crack their head. how for take care of the country then. For this global pandemic how they pursue. Moreover, a country like we also now one of the poorest countries in the world in terms of our economic output, despite the huge resources that we get. We get babala inflation in the country. Where basic commodities now problem for people. You know, out of all that, the president thought I'm fit say, in wealth, then for go per honeymoon. In wealth, for go enjoy an ancient city in Lebanon. Ladies and gentlemen, this on its own, people them see as in a disrespect to the highest degree. And it's very important, so we look at from that angle. I know say there are all sorts of diversionary tactics at play now. People will explain this. But let's be honest here. Even the big country in the world, the leader and they stay in put. Because remember, I said this global pandemic will get so. It need the attention of the highest authority in the land. It need for them we sit down, now we crack, we aid. How they put with people and we country them through this particular turbulent time in the world. But what we see we young president in young wisdom decide say make them go honeymoon. And really, this is not the first time this where these young people themselves say, what sort of indignation is this? Who can disrespect this why I will pass this? Because Sierra Leoneans themselves, even people when they support the SLPP party, they feel hugely disappointed. They feel very bad about this thing also. They say, but how comes when we country, they go through serious crisis like this? Serious problem like this. The president they decide for travel. The president they decide for go for honeymoon. Whilst the other head of state said that the sub-region, then they go on meeting for try for see how they will strengthen security, for try for see how they will safeguard and protect the economy them during these tough times, ladies and gentlemen. So now this, then see how we now this platform. I can tell you say we now this platform. Now a very progressive platform when they look after and when they look for the interests of we country, regardless who that in a governance. Because it's about time. Me and you look after the interest of that country, of over 7 million people. We see with brothers and sisters, then they escaped, they left the country due to the entire economic problem the body country they face. We see people and they give up and down the country. So these are real issues. These are real challenges for any government when the government will elect today. And a part of that one all back, you can put the global pandemic pantapui. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to continue for sure because we build up this story. Let us see the different angles where are they come out from for bring cancer the circumstances then what we find we safe and how the economy did like today like what they tell no more but most of you know say the basic commodities then when people they go buy in a market for cook we know say for instance that push our rest where 2018 was about 1,200 leons for cup. Now people are about 2,250 leons, which is over 108% increase. We know the amount of Borgo now. We know so many basic commodities then. How people are struggling in the country. How then tell the money people then. Up and down the country, nobody is immune. Now few elites them. Go say they're immune from this problem. Yet still, with all these challenging times, and we don't forget, so we country they under state of emergency as well. The president Dima Fit say, him and the first lady, excuse me, then for go for honeymoon. They not choose for going on honeymoon at Bonto. They not choose for going on honeymoon at Poloko. They not choose for go honeymoon na Cambia. They not choose for go honeymoon na Kabbalah. Because they quite tell na so we see alone self. We want let tourism boom now we country. And tourism na two way. Not for people that come out abroad, they can't want country. If me dey free talk, I come out free talk, I go McKinney, I go to holiday, now tourism. Now inward tourism that one day. And we see even big country are the one now where they can travel plenty tenner. Where this thing on can they travel within the country them for boost the local economy and their own country. So we not see the president in young wisdom. Say, boy, we say not boost your own country. No, we say they go honeymoon na bond. Because that they boost the bond economy. Because plenty people then go say, why is the president they go honeymoon na bond or they go holiday na bond? But we say they go holiday na bond. If I want to say also go enjoy it. People holiday na bond, when they get a small guest house, when they get a buy a restaurant, they say the economy go boom for them. So now this way they help for your local economy. But we not see that. The president choose for going to Lebanon. We see the banquets where they get a big table, luxurious food. Not forgetting the president left people in a country where they starve. Where some man they grab the money. 10 years for they get one plate yourself, no problem. These are all facts. Because we get concrete reports from inside the country, concrete reports. And we say they go now, we up and down that country there. For no waiting they go on, waiting they happen, waiting the ordinary people they face in the country. These are just real facts. I not say the way I can say no more. We get the social media upgrade them, where can come and try for defend the undefendable. Ladies and gentlemen, at the chat room, I want to thank you plenty. The likes of Mr. Abraham Sisse, the likes of Mr. Delwin, and we have so many of you now where they can the chat room where they share on our comments and on our views them, and they all welcome at this particular platform. Like what we say on this platform, we there for all authorities and accountable. We there for highlight the issues them and bring account on our own attention. Make sure say people they know what they go on in our country. Make sure say we debunk the diversionary tactics where people need authority can want use. Because something they happen instead of they talk what they happen, then they bring out other things for mix up the water so that people don't go focus. But this time around, we're not going to let that happen. Because we country up and down the country, people they face unprecedented hardship. And that is well established. It well established. Job or not, they will not see the inward investments. What will they expect? What the government promised me. We don't see them. We don't see them at all. So all the circumstances they are, what they try for bring out on us. So now any president decide for left the country for go on a private visit. We are getting the Minister of Information in response na BBC Focus on Africa. They say the president will deserve a break. The president work hard. The president sleep and dream Sierra Leone. But we need to ask the question: if the president dream and sleep Sierra Leone, why the president not go promote Sierra Leone? Because the quality no more. If the president come out, he say they go holiday na McKinney, he don't promote Sierra Leone. That means say he value McKinney so much, he decide for go holiday him as the president and the first lady. So that alone will make plenty of brother and sister them more than the diaspora. When they come on holiday, they say go, Mr. I go visit McKinney, but wait till the president go work on McKinney on holiday. Not official waiting and mean holiday. Somebody will dream, sleep, think about in country, and anything in there. It is showcasing country at any given opportunity. It is promoting country at any given opportunity. So for brother and sister in the diaspora, whenever they want to go holiday, then they go in America, or go in Europe, or go in no, they can't salon. Because na salon they want showcase. Na salon the leg, na Shalom they want promote. They know say before I come to America, I go spend me $1,000 in Europe. Let go salon want I go spend a day because I go spend a day. That go able help the situation in salon. People in a salon go benefit from this money here. Why they go there with? Because I go there, I get for buy things and for eat, I get for go out, I get for do all kinds of things. So this is the way you boost your country. This is the way you sleep, dream your country. We don't say president for go that country them. He can go that country them. He can go because he can for go meet other leaders and he can for go pass summit, he can for go pass plenty things. But in a situation like this, in the circumstances like this, if the president feels a need for go honeymoon, can you imagine honeymoon at this particular time when plenty people are see and say, now a mockery to the people of Sierra Leone. At least do a country. But for them, come on, go do them now other people in country. We see the big banquets on all. We see how the first lady they praise the Bible city and go one of the oldest cities in the world. I want in mind the first lady say the oldest city in the world, according to this particular world of this so. Now Africa, all human beings, now Africa they originate from. And this is not that at the time for call out the first lady, because as he said, the first lady says for the thing we don't do, or we don't talk about, many people have not call them out already. But I always say, not only the first lady no more responsible. Because we, the Sierra Leoneans, not only the first lady we elect as the president. Now the President Malawi we elect as the president. Now he accountable to we. Now he accountable to we. So when something happen, I'm all accountable. We want to know why. At this crucial moment in time, the president they choose for he and the first lady for men and go their honeymoon. You know, with all what say go where I don't begin highlight to una, where I don't bring count to una, the issues them at hand. But the country they face. What you can describe as dire economic situation in the country. And notwithstanding, say the president, na taxpayer and responsible for your well-being as well. Now the tax they pay, now responsible for the president in travels them, and also many other things. So we need to ask this question: why? Why the visits? Why the government allow so many rumors to take place? Then why the first lady can't we tell we say they need on honeymoon? We see the lavish banquets then. And now we see a Facebook press conference basically where the president show we say we're going to help sister them in Lebanon. Well, Mr. President, I want to remind you say if now our sister the West Canada in Lebanon, you want help for me the patriots and cancer alone. You don't actually need for going to Lebanon. We get representative in Lebanon. We can organize all that. Save all that cost there when you don't take for go. And bring and come all back. But now we know say, not to that purpose would you go, because the first lady don't tell we say, now honeymoon on a deeper. So basically that the honeymoon make you go Lebanon. So despite the challenging situation we they face back home, when young people them, we the people them they face, despite the suffering what we they face, despite the uncertainty what we they face in the country, you demand fit, say yes, instead of a focus and deal with the issue today, you don't get time for them. You the focus, forgot by your honeymoon. And deal with your issues and when you feel say, now for your private cessation. But yesterday we you Minister of Information and Communication, they say, you they sleep, dream, think about Sierra Leone. So family, I want we look from that angle there. Every president they think about we Sierra Leone only. When all things here they happen, now we country. When people they face so many challenges now the country, they will see the president and the first lady They buy a lavish banquet. But we see the big table and they all like put like now for them king and queen. You know, meanwhile, people in the country, you subject them. Now the country, team for itself, so myself, and one plate cook self for the day, no problem. You know, now big problem for him. Which can mock, which can disrespect, where past that Monday. These are the questions that we're supposed to ask, and we get right for ask. I can emphasize this point. Because right now, what we see na social media, we see people that go get their people them. They can't go to the airport for go dance. Say president they can. President don't go take for all kind of gentry. Can you imagine? People they dance. You not go blame them people in there. So Monday, all this money, you know, it's nothing. So if they go get 10,000, go buy rice, can dance. If they go eat rice, they can dance. You not get choice. Because they're desperate. But again, the government and the president, women know say, we patriotic and progressive Sierra Leoneans, all of us in the world, we will continue for all them accountable. And we will bring kind of evidence out to the people. Because the day of reckoning is always around the corner. The day of reckoning is always around the corner. Definitely, we're not going to forget the issues there. So, anyway, let's check the chat room and I see some people in comments. Now, maybe I will read some people in comments. Maybe when I say what the people they say. Somebody will call it Mr. Ibrahim Kanga Kago say, in every successful man, there is a woman, and in every unsuccessful man, there is a woman as well. Therefore, the unsuccessful behavior of President Bio is the First Lady, Madam Fatima Bio. So, Mr. Ibrahim, I already comment say, what made the president not very unsuccessful, and the woman says they contribute. Then we don't see Mr. Melvin Thomas say, the man not care. And many people, they talk the same talk, say, well, the president don't care. Because if we care, it's not going to left in people at this critical time, where we say that the world, the baby country that the world say don't know what will happen. That is a very, very important point. Thank you very much, Mr. Melvin Thomas. And again, we get another comment. I will say President Bio is not thinking about the subject, and his behavior shows clear action speaks louder than voice. Absolutely, that this way we are talking at this platform. Because if you don't care about the people, if you don't care for your people, if you care for your people, you're not going to behave so. You're not going to behave so at the middle of a crisis, when a global crisis, where even the country where they look up to, see, they say confused. They say they worry for the economy. Then. The economy, they shed millions of jobs. Even at the great country of the United States of America, where they see people in the queue in thousands for being able to give them free food. Now Europe, all over the world, people in the queue, people they lose their jobs in thousands, and they lost their job. And we see we heads of states and at the sub-region, they all submit for go talk about any crisis they are. But the president was nowhere to be found. And who must be the swell, say, but president lost power. Now some people they say president not well, some people they say this, some people they say that. And that in itself, the quite autonomous, it creates big uncertainty for the country, for the business community. We don't know what's happening at the country. Yet still the president and the first lady, the man fit say, the man wise say, the man necessary for me to go on honeymoon. And like what they reminded, Mr. President, first lady, but for like we country, at least for an iota, una go honeymoon now we country. We get 5 place them. Una go Kabbalah get 5 place them. Una go Bolt get 5 place them. Una go Cambia get 5 place them. But I'm not going to say Polok all over the country. We country in a beautiful country. Now we boost the tourism now we country safe. Let we brother and sister in the diaspora see say, but president go enjoy a bonto. So when brother or sister come to America, where you can go say, well, me say they work at a boat bar. Because the president go there so say, na nice place for enjoy, na nice place for go relax. So at least we boost the local economy them now different districts there. But unfortunately, we will not see president do that. Instead, president decide for boost the economy of Lebanon. Because definitely when you go to Lebanon, you get for lodge in a good hotel, you get for provide good food, you get entourage, you get people, all the one in the money. And the people, more than 3 weeks, we don't do it. The hotel where they get for pay plenty money. So you don't boost that business in Lebanon. Meanwhile, the business in a salon, they suffer. They suffer. So for let the first lady come out, make their statement and they show picture them when they relax and they enjoy and they have their honeymoon. See, I don't people feel say it mock them. People feel really saddened. Because don't forget to the first lady gets a pattern. Because we are here, we go to Gambia. When you tell the Gambian people and say, where is he come? He go straight to saloon. For me, they go look after him. He say, you know, say salon. It look like say salon are rough people and the woman, they all rough. They don't get people, they don't get time for make themselves up there. So pastor go Gambia, go make himself before first he go to any side. And when that neighbor, the salon woman and say, Madam First Lady, now who make you First Lady? Now you they represent, now we they represent basically. Because now who make you man president? I want nothing to go to a foreign country, you go mock we. But again, people they swallow and beer. Because the time of reckoning go come. They also see where the First Lady called for mob justice. You know, all in here, so it's very important. For that, we look at from the trajectory they are so. Because it really saddened me. And like when somebody is talking about Sister Esther, welcome to the platform. He say people that actually rejoice over this waiting happen. So me see people them now video them na social media. When they dance, they say president they come. But like what I say again, them people and they maybe now some man they go meet up, them man or them man not eat from this morning. You go get 10,000, you say, "Boy, can go dance for me." Wait on dance, I will give you 10,000 or 20,000. The person member say, "Well, this is going to feed me for 2 days." They go do one because one person desperate, they do anything for survive. But all that again are the complete mockery. Because what did the president go take for una Lebanon? Don't forget to this president, one of the president don't travel. Pass all the president at the sub-region. And now they cost we the taxpayer in a salon plenty money with small money they pay for taxes. Now any president they use for travel all about. Who know for mind, if when the president they travel, they see they bring out something. But when they see they bring out nothing. All the promise when they say that they go get investors and for coming, we never see the investors. We know say graduates have up and down the country, work no day. Nothing no day. They some pass mark, Mr. President. We'd expect say for sorry for we the people at this crucial time. Any small trading at the kitty, we'd expect say now for use that for we the people. Let people survive. The people in that at the country. Work no day, business no day. Because some plenty people over there said things then. Bad them, they bad all they close 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, they don't close. So all money in place. Restaurant bad, all they close. Business no day. People over there come with business at the country. Don't listen. Because what you know will also fluctuate for them all the time. Yet still, the government in wisdom, they create confusion by allowing for the rumors then. Make the rumors then swell. Because it will be at least better for me until we say, well, they go for 3 weeks. Some people will expect president back after 3 weeks. But president say they go for 1 week. People don't see them 3 weeks. So all man, they make all kind of rumor. All kind of rumor flow because of that. And this is not good at all for the country. Ladies and gentlemen, we get right. We the people. For now, we ask them question, Yasu. Say, Papa President, now we vote for you. Now we make you become president. Now we country. Your priority is for be we the people. We the over 7 million people in that country and in the diaspora. For be number one priority, for be your responsibility. Like we constitution clearly state say we with peace, security, and welfare for be your paramount purpose and responsibility. So why will they go through these tough times? You decide for left wing, for disappear, we don't know. You know, tell we waiting they happen. For over 3 weeks, just for let you wave out, tell we say, una dey pa honeymoon. And the indignation, even people who they support you, Mr. President. We know many people who are strong SFPP supporters them. They were all disheartened. They shocked for this way also. They saddened for see what happen. They saddened for see what happen. They not believe. Say this they happen they like today, Mr. President. When they need you, when the country need you so much. For let you do something when the people that the country go at least survive. May you tackle the unprecedented economic hardship. When they sell per cup 1,200 leons, now they sell 2,500 leons. When they sell 2,500, now they sell 5,000. And so on and so forth. It's in plenty. And notwithstanding the fact that Williams they go na the gutter all the time. Businessman they go buy markets, he spend $10,000. Where can we don't sell for them? We buy that $10,000. They say no problem. So you don't wonder why the prices of goods they go up every day. Mr. President, this will be your paramount focus. This will be your paramount responsibility. Not to for mock with the people them. Not to for laugh, not to for disrespect we. Not to bad we do or make you president. Now what you be talking, the promises the way you make for we. Now you make people them vote for you, make you president. Why you don't be president? Now for show that love and respect for we. Not for treat we like say, we now people that we don't know what they do. And with the people they mark, this now one into we. For now we look at the people that want to put in authority. People that want to vote for. But we know now people that get the love, we get the nation, we get the love for we the people that matter. Because why they tell us no more, we country in a beautiful country. If the president for office say yes, he really want to go honeymoon. Or for expect us to go honeymoon at salon. Let boost all the region them. Now the south, now the east, now the north. May boost them. May they say get tourism in the country. We they see that way, even the baby country and the president they do that. The prime minister they do that. So they encourage people for can do tourism in the country. Encourage the salon community and the diaspora for come, may them go and they go visit them. But instead, you go try for go boost the Lebanese economy. You forget about young country economy where they're in shatters, where people they suffer. We get so many problems for deal with now we country they like today. As I talk, so we see, then there's also a bridge. Where belong there, that bridge of more small. Savage Street collapse. And this collapse bridge here, now don't get report saying they don't can do assessment for them. Say this bridge need to be repaired. Since 2018 September, nothing not happened. They not do nothing. Say the bridge collapse. And now they say one person died there. We take himself where the casualty not beaucoup. Because now very frequent bridge, plenty people they use. So all these are things the way government for focus for. We see the confusion within the country in terms of corruption, where people are perfect with SALCAP. The Minister of Information, one of the directors they call Mr. Kebe. We see the honorable member, Mr. Tawa, resigned from that whatever committee there, and some other members of parliament because they said they twist them, they didn't give them the chance to do the job. Many audit companies, many look what's happening at the country. So there are so many issues, Mr. President. When the people they look forward to you, they look up to you. Because what we say, no more, we are religious people in our country. We say after God, we left and then that you earn. You over 7 million people them life and then that you earn. After God, now to you they look to. Now you are the head of the government. And you focus for look after we peace, security, and welfare. Why on earth you will feel say it makes sense at this crucial time that the world day like today for make you left your country, make you left your people, make you left all them problems that what they are like so for make you go on honeymoon na Lebanon. Then itself, it a choke we, the money we, ladies and gentlemen. I want to tell you all thank you for the plenty comments them where una dey share with me na this platform here so. Like why they tell them on this platform now for all Sierra Leoneans. And this program here inside Salon today, they talk about current issues, current happenings in Sierra Leone. We they talk about them. Because we supposed to get come with Quetta for can't talk about what be happen. Now that Palemba Road massacre. But we decided for postpone them for 2 weeks back so that we will talk about these current happenings. And we'll bring and counsel the people as objectively as possible. We will critically analyze them. Because we see what he end up at the trip, the press conference where they're doing a Facebook Live, where the president in team do, where they showcase people and then pick when they say for help for camp. And we ask the question again, is this not diversionary tactics? Because people are really, really saddened and people are very, very unhappy with the president and the first thing they don't do. So they decide for divert, make a panel press conference for them picking them, exploit them because of their own predicaments when they make all kinds of statements for pressing the president. Is that right? Is that correct? All these questions we ask at this platform because what I say we at this platform, we're very, very objective. We're very, very objective. We bring out the fact. So the people we ask the critical questions because that's what we do in this day and age. This is the 21st century. The challenges of all face our country, they are unprecedented. So that the responsibility for me, you, and we all, follow with all people in authority accountable. Make them know say, this country, now we all country, we suffer, now we all suffer. If you don't in the diaspora self, if you think they hardness alone, that hardness they affect you in the diaspora. Because people, the way you relatives them, would I be the give maybe $100, now you expect for give $200. So all that are burden on you says when in the diaspora. Meanwhile, they see waiting they happen in the country. When they make with glad at all. Really, really disappointed, really, really shocking and appalling what they see in our country. Ladies and gentlemen, we need for talking the visits, the rumors, the honeymoon, because I say come, then the press conference. Then now they see the people where they go and dance. President don't come, president don't come. It don't cost plenty rest for we. It don't cost plenty lights. It don't cost plenty job. Where the job? Where the rest? Where the lights? Where the development we want to see? Papa President, you don't promise me say transportation business go handle, big company go come and handle transportation in the country. 30 you know see all that one day. These are all challenges we face you and your government. They like today. But when they see you, they try for solve them. Already they see at this critical moment. This is not a play moment, so the world they like today they're in confusion in terms of how they will deal with this global pandemic, this COVID-19 global pandemic. Because it don't begin come back and then be country them. It don't kill nearly 1 million people. Can you imagine globally? Nearly 1 million people. Remember when we get that Ebola in our country? They say kill nearly 6,000 people. Just imagine that. Where this COVID-19 coronavirus don't kill nearly 1 million people globally. Just imagine some country they don't kill nearly, the United States of America, nearly 200,000 people they don't die there. So this is a big problem what the world they face. Now a big challenge what the world they face. So why is it that but all the challenges there, what will they face now in the country? What the world they face? The president decides, say, the president deem and fit and necessary say, now this time for left with country, go for honeymoon in Lebanon. Go for honeymoon in Lebanon. This is a serious question, this one for ask the president. And we for ask this particular government. We're not going for cover at all. Now we write in our responsibility. Tomorrow, we pick it up and go ask we. Say, Papa, Mama, what will you be do when this country go down the drain? What will you be do? When you people in the suffer so in your country, what will you be do? So now we got a responsibility for what we do. Now we think up and say, no, what's going on in our country? It's not correct. It's not correct. It's not right. We they expect the president, we're at the fountain of honor in the country, for being the number one post to get the country in interest at heart. Because if the president begets the country interest at heart, where ECOWAS the all meeting, the president for go there. Now the sub-region, the 16 countries, them other head of state, they all team up, president all team up. We don't president all day, they all do the same foreign minister. The foreign minister don't get the same clout as the president. And what they go talk about the economy and security situation. Because they know say, when economy they like this, now a security threat for the country them. A security threat. Where somebody gap la money for it, not get them. They say an hungry man is an angry man. So these are all big and massive questions then. What we need for ask, what we need for talk about, what we need for bring to the attention of the people. Say, Papa government, what's in the go on in our country? Why is this happening? What's many things happening, ladies and gentlemen, who for ask them question there. And I talk about thank you plenty, because of una contribution, una comments on they make. You know, I can let for read some of the comments and bring and come to our attention. Lastly, Mr. Abubakar Bangua say, he said, let's not blame him but ourselves. Because it's 90% of his Sierra Leoneans well aware that this man is not capable, jobless, over 20 years without a job. Then they vote for him. Okay, I see the gift, Mr. Abu, waiting the guy for talk. But yet still, this man represents a big party, a national party, now one of the oldest party in Africa. Now this man represents. So then choose him for Lily party. They make the message, people will eventually vote for him. They make him president of the country, despite the disputes election. Because we all man know what will happen for that election. The disputes will be gap for that particular election, but we don't jump come up right now. So this man get the responsibility for look after winning the country. This man get the responsibility for no say the country then in hand. The lives of over 7 million people are part of God then in hand. So why, if they do things them way before say, they bring the country down? Because then rumors will be take place. Like what I say no more, president disappear. Basically, now some people in Siam. We see even other foreign countries, comedians, and they make comedy about them. That's a great and shakiness among the business community because they don't know what will happen. They don't know what's President's Day. So somebody go for go order in container, now Dubai or na China, or we don't sell for the container camp, they go think twice. Say, but let's wait for so. We don't know what they go on. President long day, the neighbor knows I go. You don't pass 1 week now, 2 weeks then they cancel, the neighbor knows I go. What's in the happen? We don't know all kind of rumors they pass. So that alone serves in a great panic within the business community, within even the citizens of the country, up and down the country. Like what I tell them, say, when you create a vacuum, then rumors they go. If you don't sabi somebody, now compound out on there, then people just lock their room, no see nobody come on the door. Plenty people will get rumors, hey, this person don't run away, or maybe don't lock himself, or something. This is bound for happen. Now, human nature, it's bound for happen. Many people will do the same thing. So I know some people will ask questions, oh, then people they mean bad, people they pray for bad things. No, this is not the case here at all. People they ask legitimate questions because what do the government creates the vacuum. Not forget, so the government gets plenty communication apparatus when they for communicate to the people. So if they not do one, that vacuum it affects so many people, ladies and gentlemen. So like where they talking about, I don't try for bring cancer on many points them for show now and for tell now waiting really they happen now we country they like today. The president now this unprecedented time where we economy they face dire economic strain, where the COVID-19 coronavirus don't affect the one world, it don't bring basically the world to an halt, where economies are very jittery all around the world. And we country before say one of the poorest countries in terms of economy, despite all the riches that we get in our country, the president decided to go on a honeymoon for 3 weeks. And even not inform we the people them say, okay, at least I go honeymoon for 3 weeks. People then go grumble, people then go vex, but at least they don't say the president don't tell them the truth. And people they don't tell you the truth, so we don't know. Rumors not forbidden. Because rumors they create instability. Rumors they create confusion. Rumors they create panic. So we are saddened We feel disrespected. We feel like say they mock we with the people. Because later what we see a honeymoon, we see a banquet where luxury food them, everything. Then what we see later on, we see what some people will describe say the president doing job. Where now for look after Sierra Leoneans them, where they're stranded anywhere in the world. Because I can always remind people say, that's the president's job. Yes, we're glad we do them. But not the president's job. Because when you open constitution, you open chapters and they tell you say the president, the government as alone, the primary purpose and responsibility now for look after our peace, security, and welfare. So any someone with the Washington Sierra Leonean, the Salon government responsibility now for look after your peace, security, and welfare. So that the president's job. But we're also disappointed that they get for make one press conference. People they come and talk and pressing the president, pressing the first lady. Where it looked like so very, very exploitative because of the people that they in a very sad predicament. So this is really, really sad and unfortunate. And we at this platform will continue for bringing it here to our attention. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to all thank you plenty. Every Saturday, this time, this program at this platform here, so what we call Inside Salon Today. Inside Salon Today, now a program where they look at what's in the happen in the salon. Currently, political, social, economy. We will talk about at this platform objectively and critically they analyze them, look at from all different angles and bring account to una the people. And this platform, now a platform for una all. Not a platform for me and this, we all Sierra Leoneans. Now Sierra Leone and the diaspora. So now always welcome now this platform here soon. And now watch out now YouTube page. Please, now go na then and now on our YouTube page and now subscribe. So now we're able to promote this platform. Because quite also this particular program, now constant program them way will always bring come. Always a bring come now this particular platform here so. And please now going to join me regularly and we appreciate our comments and our contributions because we the call time we this platform we tinga one for salon people for we country them for make sure say we be the checks and balances we are the fourth estate the checks and balances on government so government don't go fool anymore government don't go play any dabaru business for we and bring account to our attention. So ladies and gentlemen, fellow Sierra Leoneans, one turn thank you. And somebody comments, I rightfully so the president is there to serve the people of Sierra Leone. He did it for serve we. And that we expect. Not to the other way around, not to the server. Now in for serve we. Now in the work for we all. Despite you're supportable, you're not supportable. It's supposed to work for we all. And we country need plenty work. Plenty work. Mr. President, while you focus for that one day. Now that's make we put you there as president. Now that we expect for let you deliver. We really saddened, shocked, and disappointed for what you will see and what they go on at the country. So ladies and gentlemen, fellow Sierra Leoneans, I want to thank you again plenty for the support and continue for this platform. You know, and we always continue. Please now go on our YouTube page. Then and now and subscribe. And not forget every Saturday this time here, so 8 p.m. UK time, 7 p.m. Salon time, 3 p.m. Eastern time. We then at this platform here, so we bring up on our current happenings in Sierra Leone. And when I watch out in 2 weeks time, we'll get to come with quotes and ayasu. We're going to talk about very important topic them again. Then we'll get to a subsequent serious interviews. We'll get Mr. Ben Kanu from the Gambia when another person can analyze issues them in detail. And the CEO and founder says again for all subsequent program and let me bring out on a program. Then there's the disappearance of the president. Go for bring up subsequent program again. So now watch out for flyers them for we notice them. So I want to again thank him plenty, and we appreciate you greatly. Thank you, bye bye. God bless you all. God bless you, country Sierra Leone.